Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the only way to get DramaWave free VIP and coins completely for free. The method is very simple. It only takes about 5 minutes, and after that, you will get everything you want completely free, just like I'm showing you on the screen right now. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then, search for turbocheats.top without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly as I'm showing you on the screen. Once you're on the website, type the name in the search bar and tap on the result. Now scroll down, choose your phone platform, and press Start Process. The process will begin. It might ask you to complete a couple of extra steps, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I've already done it before, so I'm not going to do it again in this video. Once you're finished, open the app, and boom, you will get free VIP access and unlimited coins. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.